Tank is doing excellent. The corals are doing excellent. Water is super crystal clear. You can see that one mushroom is actually trying to detach and attach it to another rock. Here's the zoas I got from you. They're doing excellent. And that rock is actually on a rebound. They're all coming back, and pulsing star zinnias. They're pulsing. They're doing excellent. And also, some of the mushrooms are doing good. Yeah, overall, tank is looking awesome. The water is crystal clear. I'm running 100% RODI, 6-stage with the full skimmer running all time, sucking out all the gunk. It's rated for 600 gallons on a 90-gallon tank, so water turnover is kind of crazy, but works. Got the pump down here, 1,500 gallons per hour, I believe. Filter socks running, and return pump over there with a 20-gallon sump. Yeah, so everything is well in this reef. Beginning stage of the reef returning back.